Everyone, my name is Nitisha and now I am going to speak about our project Bluebee. Use Bluebee to save power, to save money and save the earth. The major cause of global warming is the wastage of power, and here are the ways by which energy is being wasted. The reasons for wasting electricity may be many, like forgetfulness, ignorance, laziness and so on. It is estimated that 1/3 of the power used in US is wasted, which cost about $2 billion. And a lot of energy can be used if we use our Bluebee. The existing solutions are Kilowatt, Belkin, that are used to conserve the energy. They just display the power used on the LCD screen, but they do not help us to understand how long each device is on. And here is a solution that we came up with, Bluebee. Bluebee displays the power consumed on the mobile as well as allows us to turn on and off the appliances. With just one touch on the mobile, we can control the appliance and know the power consumed and save the energy. Here it is how it is used. First, the user should plug in the modified kilowatt into the wall. Then the kilowatt, it reads the power and transmits the power recorded. Second, you have to download and install the app on a smartphone. Third, turn on the Bluetooth on mobile and open the app and then tap the mobile to pair with the Bluetooth connected to the microcontroller. Once the phone is paired, the user can turn on and off the appliances and then view the power consumed. The technology is used. The kilowatt, it reads the AC power and then converts it into digital, and then it transmits the power consumed to the microcontroller. The transmission is done using the Zigbee technology here. Zigbee is used with a range of about 10 to 100 meters. Then the microcontroller receives the data, converts it from the hexadecimal codes to the understandable data. Finally, the microcontroller sends the data to the app on the mobile phone via Bluetooth. Bluetooth is used for the efficient wireless data transmission, and we can view the power consumed on our smartphone. And our project uses Android, Arduino, Zigbee and Bluetooth. Today we have a partially executing project. Please have a look at the project at a demo. Thank you.